Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 56468 custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness for the 2022 Ford Bronco. Please click the link in the video's description for the official installation instructions and to determine if this part number fits your vehicle. To ensure your safety and the safety of your vehicle's electrical systems, we recommend that you disconnect the negative battery cable before beginning the installation. Begin the installation by opening the tailgate and hatch. Identify 4 bolts, 2 on each side of the vehicle, near the tail lights. Use a 10mm socket and remove these bolts. Then, using a screwdriver, remove 8 screw push fasteners, 4 on each side, that secure the taillight trim panels in place. Remove the trim panels on both sides of the vehicle. Starting on the driver's side, locate the vehicle's taillight wiring harness connectors. Separate the connectors, being careful not to damage the locking tabs. Repeat this on the passenger side. From beneath the vehicle on the driver's side, route the CURT wiring harness connectors with the yellow wire up through an access hole into the vehicle's taillight wiring harness connector area. Once routed, insert the CURT harness connectors in between the previously separated vehicle taillight harness connectors, making sure the locking tabs are fully seated. Next, route the remaining CURT wiring harness connectors with the green wire across the undercarriage, being sure to route away from excessive heat sources and moving parts. Use the included cable ties to fasten the harness to your chosen route. Then route the connectors up through a similar access hole to the passenger side taillight wiring harness connectors. Connect the CURT harness connectors to the previously separated vehicle taillight connectors, making sure the locking tabs are fully seated. Metal-to-metal contact makes for ideal electrical grounding. Determine a good location for the white ground wire to be mounted near the driver's side taillight. Use sandpaper or sanding tool to prep the metal surface. Use the included self-tapping screw to fasten the ground wire to your chosen location, making sure good metal-to-metal contact has been made. Next, prepare the black power wire by stripping one end of the power wire. Use the included butt connector and crimp the connector to the stripped end of the power wire. Then strip the end of the inline fuse holder and then crimp it to the same butt connector, making sure strong connections have been made. Finally, strip the opposite end of the inline fuse holder wire and crimp on the included accessory post ring terminal, making sure a good connection has been made. From the engine bay, route the end of the black power wire that was not modified down behind the engine. Choose a path that stays away from excessive heat sources and moving parts. From underneath the vehicle, continue to route the black power wire along the undercarriage towards the rear of the vehicle. Use the included cable ties to fasten the power wire along the way. Use trim panels and existing access holes in the frame to protect the wire from road debris and damage. Use the included double-sided tape to adhere the box to a safe location under the vehicle that shields the converter box away from road debris, excessive heat sources, and water. Strip the end of the black power wire and crimp on an included butt connector. Then strip the black power wire from the black converter box and crimp that onto the same butt connector, making sure strong connections have been made. Now, route the 4-flat connector to the receiver tube so that it can be used when you need to power your trailer lights. We recommend using a CURT 58300 mounting bracket to securely fasten the 4-flat connector near the receiver, or you may use an included cable tie. Finally, locate and remove a nut on the battery's positive accessory post. Next, insert the 10-amp fuse into the fuse holder. Install the ring terminal from the inline fuse holder over the post and refasten the nut. Now you may reconnect the negative battery cable. Reinstall the taillight trim panels and all previously removed hardware. Use a 4-flat tester or a properly wired trailer and test your new trailer wiring harness. Congratulations, you are now ready to tow safely. Thank you for watching this video. Now you have the power to bring it.